No, like they need a proper. No, that shop. No, that shop needs like a boma doom. Like, so what's going on, guys? Are y'all trading? Are y'all trading NFP tomorrow with me or what? I'm in Durban now. Just go to Durban. I'm going to Joburg. But what I can say, yeah, that's the one. Are we trading NFP tomorrow together? Priority boarding, no? Are we trading NFP tomorrow or what? Tomorrow's NFP. Anyway, let me drop the accent because I'm in Durban. Let me speak properly, guys. Tomorrow's NFP. Just came live to let you guys know. Let's chop it. Let's kill it aggressively. So, is that priority boarding? Mara mote ne ba ira fela jo. Since vele singe ba silahlela nje ga re ke rena dinonyana. Nah, I'm not gonna board like a regular board. I mean, I paid. Only gonna eat one. But tomorrow, like I said, we're chopping NFP. Boy, I was like a tranrata. Which animal is this? Right now, my friend. If only stop trading with nonsense brokers. ICG market is chop the market like that. This made up in Devon. I'm passing, bro. I had to use this route because now in Cape Town all the flights were booked. So I had to now fly to Durban. From Durban I'm flying to Johannesburg.
This is not Papa Last.
Hip our last day. Come on, the man. What do I call someone the answer? What time? You know guys, NFP tomorrow. Chopping it hard. Who's watching now? 258 people tomorrow. All of us are trading NFP. Better go find your trading account at the RCG market. The best broker in Africa right now. Fastest growing. And there's no other broker that will ever be better. RCG to the world. Best ever. Go find your trading account. And stop trading with this problematic what one. Can I let you do it? When I gave you hey Lebza, Malema's in the line. What's going on? I'm sure we have a lot of enemies on this life also, I can see. But my profile picture, intent. There's intense, there's those who are sent to come what? If all Rumin. We're doing pretty well. We're cruising. Everything is fine on this side. What about excellence? So, got some put or over phone like I want to watch our child. It's so crazy. If you miss a flight, you're gone, man. We have to go home. Are you going to go to miss a flight? You're in Devon to fetch. You're in Devon to fetch the M4, man. Don't joke, my bro. I'm in Devon because I'm going home. Trade with RCG market, bro. Trade with trade with RCG if you want smooth, comfortable NFP. Tomorrow's RCG. Thank you. You guys ship that content. I forget, no? I feel no. Mushabe kandiralwa na. No worry, lo warra. I've been on vacation, my bro. Just been trading, that's all. Tomorrow I'm back in Joburg, so how many hours from Durban?
August, hours.
From Gerald to Lubbock, like an hour.
45 minutes.
Just an hour.
45.
Yeah. If it's a bicycle out here, my 4 days. But we've been flying, huh? This is our second flight for the day. Gotta watch out when they're just picking up girls in the M4. Hey, I'm shy. Fuck your pant. You mean? Fuck your pant, man. Any chick, wait, bro. I'm traveling with the bros. I'm out here with Daniel. What's up, Daniel? And Martin. Oh shit, he left. Donald. Oh, he left. But yeah. And this is my manager. Do you know your manager? Hopefully it's in Jaka royalty only. You know the whole way, my bro. How many orders can I take with the 500 account in a classic? Look, to maximize, it can probably take about just under 10 positions. But tomorrow's NFP is gonna be very smooth. So even if you just take like 2 or 3 positions, bro, you're gonna make some good cash.
Lies, you tell.
Monhla the most humble millionaire. Hey, Joe, I'm broke, chief. Jago Olmaj. Chago, I hope you're here. Nice birthday, my bro. I know it was your birthday day before yesterday, if I'm not too sure. At this moment, I'm trying my almost best to get home, but it's not easy. Next time I go to TV, I was here. Cantarna mail if I'm you just put a whole boozy in there, no? In that package. They put a. You get my contact, you can. Kulma is Zulu, bro. Ish, bro. Ma, guy. Are we flying at that time or we are boarding at that time?
We're boarding now.
Yeah. Okay, fair, eh? Then I get the first time. See you guys tomorrow NFP. Let's chop it with the best broker, of course, RCG Market. I'm trying to get home as fast as I can so we can make money. And I do get a shot. We're going to